In this video, I will show you how to withdraw XRP from Kraken. To do this, first just going to open up the Kraken app or website, and from there what you want to do is go to your portfolio in the left menu or in the bottom menu on the app, and then find XRP. So if you own XRP, you will find it down here, so just going to select it. Now once you have selected XRP, what you then want to do is find a withdrawal button or a transfer button. So in this case it says withdrawal right here, so click withdrawal, and then I have already withdrawn a couple of times, so I can just select the withdrawal address I want to use. But if you don't have it here, just click on add withdrawal address. And with XRP it's a bit different than from other currencies. First you will need to add the withdrawal address, which is standard, but with XRP you also need to enter a tag. So just go to the exchange or wallet that you want to deposit to, and then from there click deposit, then select XRP, and then select the same network, which should be Ripple, and then they will give you a withdrawal address and tag. Just paste those in here and give it a nickname just for you to recognize it, and click add address, and then you can select it right here. So I'll use my XRP Coinbase, and then you can choose how much you want to send. Now often there is a 12 XRP minimum. Currently I don't have 12 XRP, but for example if I would select €1, then right now if I click review it doesn't work since I'm under the minimum. But once you have the minimum you can then click review and then confirm it, and then the XRP will be on its way to the address that you entered. So that's basically how to withdraw XRP from Kraken. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.